Yesterday we explained about integers. Now again we revise them. Natural numbers. Here natural numbers. Natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And we add 0 for natural numbers. Then whole numbers is formed. So we represent whole numbers W, denoted by W, like this. And next we add negative numbers. We know natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. and whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. We add whole numbers, we add negative numbers to whole numbers, then formed integers. So integers, then negative numbers 0 and positive numbers. Next, integers. Yesterday we learned this one. Once more, we start learning numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 for counting objects around us. These numbers are called counting numbers and natural numbers. Let us think about this. Which is the smallest natural number? You know already. That is, smallest number is 1. Okay. Next one, can you find where the sequence of natural numbers? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Here is one natural numbers. What is the difference between any two consecutive natural numbers? Here, suppose we take 3 and next one 4. This is consecutive numbers 3 and 4. The difference between two consecutive natural numbers, here 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Okay, understood? Difference between any two consecutive natural numbers is 1. This is 1. Next one, here in this map or in this figure, here integers are there. Here 0, and this bag contains natural numbers, and this bag contains negative numbers. Here positive numbers, here 0, and here negative numbers. Together negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 called integers. Okay. Next one. By including 0 to the collection of natural numbers, we get a new collection of numbers called whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. In class 6, we also learnt about negative numbers. If we put whole number and negative numbers together, we get a bigger collection of numbers called integers. In this chapter, we will learn more about integers, their operations and properties. Operations means fundamental operations: plus addition, minus subtraction, into multiplication, division. Okay, here a number line is there. Number line is there. Actually we learnt for natural numbers or whole numbers, number line is like this: 0, okay, starting from 0, next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all numbers. Here integers 0, here positive numbers increased to right side, negative numbers are decreased left side. So here we observe that from 0.0 when we are going to right side, the numbers are increased or increasing order or more. So from here 0 to 1, one number is greater than 0, and 0 to minus 1, one number is less than 0. Okay, so here we move towards right side, the number system is increased, each step one number is increased. If we move left side, so each step one number is decreased. Okay, here from this figure, which is the biggest integer represented on the above number line? You know, already we discussed about it. Right side comparing with left side, right side is bigger numbers, left side comparing with left side numbers is smaller than right side. So here left side minus 6 and right side 6. Between minus 6 and 6 on the number line, number of integers are marked. Here first question, which is the biggest integer represented on the above number line? Biggest integer. So here always right side last one is 6. This is the biggest integer marked on the number line. Then which is the smallest integer? Already you know, here right side is bigger number, then left side is smaller number. So here smallest integer is minus 6. Okay, smallest or biggest. Here if in between minus 6 and 6, if we compare any two other integers, then how would we say about it? Anytime we discussed or we learnt by integers, about integers on the number line or any other number. If we write on number line, right side is bigger, left side is smaller. That is the point we don't forget, cannot forget. Okay, here we compare this. If one is here, minus 1 is here, 1 and minus 1, which is bigger? Then we discuss 1 is bigger and minus 1 is smaller. Here bigger, here smaller, because of 1 is left side, minus 1 is left side on the number line by 1. So 1 is left side of minus 1, or minus 1 is left side of 1. Here we conclude that minus 1 is left side of 1. So minus 1 is smaller than 1. 1 is bigger than minus 1. Okay. So always right side is bigger, left side is smaller. Okay. One positive or one integer. Okay. If we take two negative numbers, then we conclude that always first thing is left side is smaller, right side is bigger. Here minus 3 is here, minus 2 is here. Then which is left side, minus 2 or minus 3? We know minus 3 is left side. So minus 3 is left side. So minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. Okay. So which is bigger, minus 3 or minus 2? Minus 2 is bigger than minus 3, because minus 2 is right side of minus 3 on the number line. Okay. Now we okay. Is 1 bigger than minus 3? Why? Let us answer it. Think. 1 is bigger than minus 3 or 1 is less than minus 3? Already we have learnt one positive integer or one negative integer. Positive is always bigger than negative integer. So we conclude 1 is bigger than minus 3 is correct. 1 is bigger than minus 3. Here this symbol is used for greater than or bigger than. Okay. 1 is bigger than minus 3. So 1 is bigger than minus 3. Why? Answer, justification. 1 is bigger than minus 3. So here 1, where is 1? Here. Minus 3, where is minus 3? Here. Where is 1? Compare with minus 3. 1 is right side of minus 3. So already we discussed. Always right side number is bigger than left side. So here 1 is bigger than minus 3. Okay. Another question. Is minus 6 bigger than minus 3? Here two negative numbers. Which is bigger? Here where is minus 6? Here minus 6. Where is minus 3? Here minus 3. So which is bigger? So right side is always bigger. So comparing minus 6 and minus 3, minus 3 is right side of minus 6. So minus 3 is bigger than minus 6. But this question, is minus 6 bigger than minus 3? No. No. So okay, right here minus 6 is not bigger than minus 3. Minus 3 because minus 3 is right side of minus 6. So minus 3 is bigger than minus 6. Bigger than minus 6 because here minus 3 is right side of minus 6. Okay, right here next one. Next one, arrange 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5 in ascending order. Fifth question. Fifth question, arrange 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5 in ascending order. We know already. Ascending order means smallest to biggest number. Smallest to biggest number. Ascending order. So here 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5. Comparing all these numbers, here arrange 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5 in ascending order. Here middle we write 0. Then every step, here minus 1, go to left side, decreasing, minus 2, negative numbers, 3, here minus 4, here minus 5, here minus 6, here minus 7. Here move right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, arrange 4, where is 4? Here 4. 6, where is 6? Here 6. Minus 2, where is minus 2? Here minus 2. 0, where is 0? Here 0. Minus 5, where is minus 5? Here minus 5. So ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, already it is clear which is smaller among these. 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5. Here on the number line smallest number is minus 5. Next, small less than, next number is minus 2. Next number is 0. Next number is 4. Next number is 6. Okay, confirm, understood? Minus 4, minus 2, minus 5, minus 2, 0, 4 and 6. Okay, write like this, minus 5, minus 2, here 0, here 4, here 6. I hope already you understood. Sixth question. Compare the difference between 0 and 1 and 0 and minus 1 on the number line. Difference between 0 and 1 and 0 and minus 1. It is clear. From 0, left side one step is minus 1. One step. As it is, from 0, 1 also one step, but right side. Difference between them, here move right side one step, here left side one step. That is the difference only. So here 0 and 1 one step, and 0 and minus 1 also one step. So here 1 and here 1 unit difference, or one number is difference, or one step is different. So from here to here, from here to here, one step is difference. 0 and 1 also 1, and 0 and minus 1 also 1. So the difference between 0 and 1 is 1, and the difference between 0 and minus 1 is also 1 from the number line. Okay, I hope you will complete this one. You will answer it. Exercise 1. Some integers are marked on the number line, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. Already like this. Here first, which is the biggest integer represented on the number line, we said always right side is bigger than the left side. Smaller integer, left side is smaller than the right side. Okay, so next question. Okay, which is biggest, which is smaller? Some integers are marked here. Which is marked? Already circle there, -3 and 2. From this, which is right side? 2 is right side. 2 is right side. 2 is right side. Comparing with -3 of -3. So right side is always bigger than left side. Comparing on number line. So here 2 is the bigger and -3 is smaller. So we write here biggest number or biggest integer from number line is 2, because the 2 is right side of -3. So smallest number is number or integer, anyone, is -3, because -3 is left side of 2 on number line. Okay, Next, second question. Here, write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Also, choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. From these numbers, here minus 5 is there and minus 10 is there. First one, minus 5. First one, minus 5 and minus 10. Here on the number line, number line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. It's okay. Here given numbers, both are negative numbers. So here 5, here 5, here 10. So here minus 10 is there. So we take here minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are numbers. But here in question asked it, in this question write the integers between the pairs of integers given below only. So between the pair, so the pair is minus 5 and minus 10. So we write between minus 5 and minus 10. Here, where is minus 5? Here is minus 5. Where is minus 10? Here is minus 10. So we write between numbers minus 9, minus 8, minus 7 and minus 6. Okay, right, it's all. So here we need not draw number line. For understanding, we draw number line. Here understanding it, minus 10 and minus 5. Between minus 10 and minus 5, how many integers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 integers are there. We know from 0, negative numbers are here. Minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 3 and minus 4 and minus 5 and minus 6 and minus 7. Here from 0 to 1, one number is decreased, and also minus 1 to minus 2 and one more minus 1, one more minus 1. So here minus 1 and here minus 1, so minus 2. So one step minus 3 and another step minus 3, like this. So goes on left side minus 10 minus 1. So here plus 1, one step and one more plus 1. So here right side goes on. Okay, so from 0, comparing from 0. Okay, now we write only this one only. It is not necessary, for understanding purpose only. Okay, 1 second. right. Here write between integers, write like this, integers between -5 and -10 are -9, -8, -7 and -6. And next question is also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. So from this we choose the biggest and smallest. Here which is bigger and which is smallest? Here right side on the number line, compared with number line, here -6 is this one, and -7 is this one, and -8 is this one, and -9 is this one. So here which is bigger? -6 is bigger, not the 9 or 6. Compare with here -6 right side and -9 left side. So -6 is bigger than -9 because on the number line -6 is right side of -9. Okay, so right side is bigger than left side. So here biggest integer is equals to -6 and smallest integer is equals to -9. Okay, here both are minus, but here from second question 3 and -2. So first we compare with okay, here second question from 3 and -2 like this. We need not to draw number line here. Already we understood how the number line is drawn and represent the number line and represent integers on number line. So we start from 0, here 1 and 2, next 3, but here we asked or in question between the pair of integers. So between the pair of, so 3 is not included here. So 1 and 2, next 3, but we can't write 3 here. Here left side of 0 -1, next number is -2, but here -2 is there. So between the pair of integers, so -2 is not included here. So we write -1, 0, 1 and 2. This is the sequence of number line on number line. Okay, from these which is bigger is clear. 2 is bigger and 1 is smaller. Okay, next third one -8 and 5. So from this problems. 2 problems are completed. Third one is leave for homework. So your homework from this bit, homework is minus, write integers between the pair of integers minus 8 and 5, and also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. Here write the following integers in ascending order, smallest to biggest. Okay, next one. Here first question is minus 5 2 1 and minus 8. Here ascending order means smallest to biggest. You know already negative numbers are smallest comparing with positive numbers. So here we know about positive numbers from 2 and 1. We already know that 1 is least number and then 2. Comparing with 1, 2, minus 5 and minus 8 are left side of 1, 2. But small doubt is there. What is minus 5 or minus 8? Which is smaller and which is bigger? Which is smaller and which is bigger? Here we know minus 5 and minus 10. Which is bigger? We don't know here. But from this is minus 9 and minus 6 is there. Minus 8 and minus 7 and minus 6 is there. Here biggest integer is minus 6. So right side of this number. Here we conclude that right side is minus 6 and left side is minus 9. So which is bigger? Minus 6 is bigger. Here minus 9 is bigger. So from this minus 6 and minus 9, from minus 6 and minus 9, minus 6 is bigger than minus 9. So from this symbols, negative numbers, from negative numbers, symbols comparing with the positive numbers 6 and 9, 9 is bigger than 6, but here minus 6 is bigger than minus 9. So here positive numbers, from positive numbers bigger number is bigger, but we add negative sign to 9 and 6 as minus 9 and minus 6, it's a change. Minus 6 is bigger than minus 9. From this positive integers, then bigger is bigger, but according to sign here bigger number, according to sign bigger number is smaller in negative numbers when comparing with negative numbers only negative numbers. Okay, now here right, from set this which is bigger, which is smaller. So in positive numbers 8 and 5, which is smaller? 5 is smaller. So here minus 5, here minus 8, then which is smaller? So here 5 is smaller. So here minus 5 is bigger. Here 8 is bigger. So here minus 5 is bigger. So least number is minus 5. Next minus 5. So here least number minus 8 and then minus 5. So 192. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Comparing negative numbers only, comparing with positive numbers. We can't forget like this. 8 is greater than 5. We know this. When add signs both sides, minus 8 and minus 5, then the symbol is less than minus 5. Here greater than minus 5, here less than minus 5. So here greater number is, here minus 8 is least number, here 5 is least number, here minus 5 is greater number. So confirm this. Next problem. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, minus 5, 2. Okay, here only 2 is one positive number, so decide 2 is bigger number. From this negative numbers, 3 negative numbers are there, minus 4, minus 3, minus 5. So from the first problem, which is smaller? Here 5, here 8. So according to positive integers, 8 is bigger, 5 is smaller. Here 8 is, minus 8 is smaller, minus 5 is bigger. So through this one, here minus 4, minus 3, minus 5. So through from 4, 3, 5 positive integers, when positive integers, which is bigger? 5 is bigger. From 4 and 3, which is bigger? 4 is bigger, and remaining is 3. So least number is 3, next number is 4, next number is 5. But comparing negative numbers, here 5 is bigger, here minus 5 is smaller. Here 4 bigger than 3, here minus 4 is bigger than minus 5, and 3 is smaller, but here minus 3 is bigger than minus 4 and minus 5. So remaining number is 2. Okay, like this. Third question. Minus 10, minus 15, minus 7. Here no positive integer, only negative integers. Comparing with negative integers, okay, from minus 10, minus 15, minus 7, here minus 10, minus 15, minus 7. Without signs, 7, 15, 7, 10, 15. Here, which is bigger between or among 7, 15, 15? You confirm 15 is bigger, 10 is bigger comparing with 10 and 7, 7 is smaller comparing with 10 and 15. But here smallest to biggest, so minus 15 is smaller, here bigger, then here smaller. Minus 10 is next one, minus 10, so here bigger than 7, so minus 10 is smaller than minus 7, so last one is minus 7. So in ascending order, minus 15, minus 10, minus 7. Okay. Here, as it is same, write the following integers in descending order, biggest to smallest. Here smallest to biggest, here biggest to smallest. For homework here, fun homework. Okay, I will explain only orally. Here all negatives are there, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. So here asked biggest number, so we discussed about here biggest number, which is bigger. So we know positive numbers 2, 3 and 5, here bigger number, so 5 is bigger, 3 is next one, 2 is not. So here bigger number. So comparing with positive integers, negative numbers, positive integers bigger number, add symbol is smallest number. When we add here minus 2, here minus 3, here minus 5, then here 5 is bigger, here minus 2 is bigger. Okay. Comparing with 2 and 3, here 3 is bigger, here comparing 2 and 3, here 3 is bigger, here minus 2 is bigger. Comparing with 3 and 5, here 5 is bigger, but here 3 is bigger. So write for homework. Represent 6, minus 4, 0 and 4 on a number line. Okay, now on number line, draw a number line. Here 6 and 4, so here minus 4. So because first we take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 6 is there. 6 is bigger number, and here minus 4 is smaller number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So we write here 0, right side which numbers are there? Positive numbers. So from next 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next left side of 0, negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, here first one is 6, so here 6 or 6. Next one is -4, here -4. Next one is 0, 0 is here. Next one is 4, here 4. In this question, only represent a number line. From this number line, ascending order is there, descending order is there also. So I will explain about that. Ascending order. Ascending order. From left side to right side, move right side. So first left side -4 is there, and after -4 0 is there, after 0 4 is there, after 4 6 is there. This is the ascending order. Next, descending order. Descending order. Here right side to left side, we write right side to left side on the number line. So bigger number, so biggest number on the number line is 6. Next bigger number is 4. Next bigger number is 0. Next bigger number is -4. Only marked numbers. These are marked numbers, not all numbers. Only marked integers. Only integers. Okay, ascending order is -4, 0, 4, 6. So here -4 and 4, comparing with -4 and 4, which is smaller? -4 is smaller, 4 is bigger. Here 6 and 4, which is bigger? 6 is bigger, 4 is bigger. If here -6 and -4, then ascending order is if ascending order is, which is smaller, -6 or -4? Already we know, here 6, here 4 from descending order, or ascending order, here 4 and here 6. So here 4 is least number. Here 4 is least number. So in negative numbers, we compare with negative numbers, -4 is bigger. Comparing with smallest number, here bigger number. So -6 is smaller number. So ascending order of -6 and -4 is -6 or -4. So -6 is smaller and -4 is bigger number. Right. Fill the missing integers on the number line given below. Already mark on the number line integers are 0, here -5, here -9, here 4 and 8. Okay, in increasing order. How many numbers are there? From 0, how many dots are there? Up to 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. Negative side, left side of the 0, negative numbers are there. So -1, next -2, next -3, next -4. Here already -5 is there. -6, -7, -8. find the missing, fill the missing integers on the number line given below. Not find here, fill the missing integers on the number line given below. So already given integers are -9, -5, 0 and 4 and 8. So missing integers are -8, -7, -6, -4, -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9, like this. Okay, till now we have learned about integers and properties, which is bigger, which is biggest and which is smallest. Write ascending order and descending order, represent on the number line and fill the missing numbers on the number line, or missing integers on the number line, or difference between integers and different between positive integers and different between negative integers and 0, comparing with 0. Okay, now from the previous knowledge we have learned, we answer the given questions. The temperatures, listen, the temperatures in degrees Celsius, centigrade. Here given that the temperatures of 5 cities, one is Kasauli, Manali and Nainital, Ooty and Bangalore, are 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line below. The temperatures here, temperatures are degrees Celsius, centigrade. Here centigrade, degree centigrade, Celsius, degree centigrade, not Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit also there. Temperatures are denoted by centigrade and Fahrenheit also there, but here centigrade only given. Now here 0 degree here. So right side 5 degree centigrade, 10 degree centigrade, 15 degree centigrade, 20 degree centigrade are there. Between 0 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 to 5, 4 lines are there. So 1 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, positive degrees. Here -degree, -2 degree, -3 degree here.